Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the things you will need to make this super easy cake stand tier. So I'm starting with this burner set covers here. This is what I'm going to use for the cake stand. Now it does come with two. It's a big one and a smaller one, so I think it's perfect for doing a two-tier one, just because it looks prettier with different sizes. And then I did get two sets because I'm going to make a couple different ones. And it doesn't matter what they look, because you're going to spray paint them unless you want to keep them this way. But and then as you guys can see, I have this little garland because I'm going to use it to decorate them. Some glue. You don't need the glue. You can use the glue gun like this one, or like this kind of tape. It's completely up to you, whatever you have accessible to you. And then these little candle holders. Um, as you can see, they're glass candle holders. So this is what I used. All I did was glue it, and then I didn't measure it. If you want to, you can, to make sure it's right in the middle. But I just put it right in the middle. I just glue it down, and then I go ahead and put another one. So you're gonna need two. So I glued one at the bottom. I flipped it over, and then I glued the one for the second tier. So as you guys can see, it's gonna look something like this. And then what I'm going to do is after you let it dry for about 10-15 minutes, you're going to paint it. Now you can paint it with any kind of paint that you like. You can get it at Michael's, you can get it at Walmart, Target, whatever store you think it's cheaper. Now we had black paint at, my dad had black paint, so I didn't have to go out and purchase any paint. So if you have any paint with you, it works out. I wanted to paint them black just because these are for Gideon's birthday. This is what I'm going to use to put cupcakes in and everything. And since it's a cocoa theme, I thought black would be perfect. Because, like I said, I'm going to put a couple decorations on them. And these are the colors from the movie. So for me, this works great. But you can do them pink, you can do them blue, whatever color you'd like for different occasions. So the paint that I'm using, I'll go ahead and show you guys what kind of paint it is, but like I said, you can use any you'd like. This one says it dries in 15 minutes, so it's perfect for if you want, just because it dries quickly and you can add all the accents to it. And then I would recommend after you add all the accents to it, like all the glitters or any garlands you want to add, to leave it outside just because it is going to smell like paint. So you want to leave it outside to completely lose the scent of the paint. But at least once you decorate it and you let it just dry, that's all you're waiting for that paint smell to go away. So yeah, you guys, just go ahead and paint it. And you can, I mean, it's very simple as you can see. But this is the one that I'm using, this black paint right here. I really like it because it's really glossy. So as you guys can see, it looks really nice. It's like really nice and shiny. So I let it dry about 20 minutes just to be on the safe side. And I'm going to do the same thing to this little one right here. This one's going to be a one-tier one just because why not? So it's going to be the same thing. We're just going to go ahead and paint it right here. So once it's nice and dry, I'm going to go ahead and glue this green garland jewel thing that I found. Now, this was from the Dollar Tree as well. So they have different colored ones. They have pink ones, blue ones, glitter ones, just different colors, whatever you like. I really like this one. I thought it was perfect. So you're just gonna, what I did was I glued it on one side and then I took it all around and glue it the end and just cut it right there. So I'm not wasting any at all. And we're gonna do the same thing to the second tier right here. And I put it on a plate just because I wanted to make sure that there was no paint at the bottom and I didn't want to get it on the table. So I just put this plate and it's easy to twist it around too. So this is what it looks like. I went ahead and did it on this one and on the single tier one, and I think it looks really pretty. Okay, y'all, so this part is optional. So what I'm gonna do is with the extra one that I have left over, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the little jewels. And as you can see, it's like 3 in a line, but I'm gonna cut them individually to where it's like one little diamond by itself. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the glue that I showed y'all and just put it on here, and I'm gonna glue it to the base just to kind of make it look, just to give it like an extra, glamour look. And I think it looks really pretty. Again, this is optional. You don't have to do it. I just thought I had it extra. Why not do it? But yeah, you guys, this is what it looks like finished. I think it looks really good. Um, and this is what I'm going to use for Gideon's birthday. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.